This is the second video for le pronom complément. In this video, we'll solve this example. Then we'll see where these pronouns are placed in a sentence. Very important. And then we'll look at the list of verbs that come with the different pronouns. Okay, with se, they, se, we, or y, which verbs go with which pronoun. Okay, so let's solve this. We have already marked the words or the nouns that are being repeated. Yes, we have to replace them. And all of them are in the object part of the sentence after the verb. You see? So obviously we'll use pronom complément to replace them. But we have 5 pronom complément. Pronom en, pronom y, pronom COD, pronom COI, pronom tonique. So which pronoun to use in which case, that's what we have to decide. Okay. Let's see. Here Paul is being repeated. Okay. Firstly, let's see if we have a preposition before that repetition or not. Yes, we have a preposition. So in this case, it's preposition plus person. So if it's a preposition plus person, we have two possibilities, pronom COE or tonique. Pronom COE is not possible because it's not a plus person. It's another preposition plus person. So we use pronom tonique. And which pronom tonique? Moi, toi, lui, elle, nous, vous, eux, elle. It's third person singular masculine. So we'll use lui. Okay? Then, chaque weekend, je demande à Paul. Again, it's Paul. Do we have a preposition before it? Yes. A. So it's a plus person. So there's only one possibility. Pronom COE. Okay, a plus person. So which pronom COE? Me, te, lui, nous, vous, leur. It will be lui. Okay, because it's third person singular. So lui. Okay, so we'll remove this and we'll put lui before the verb. Voila. And obviously this is also a pronom tonique, moi. Then we have on va à la plage pour jouer au volleyball. Okay, here volleyball is being repeated. Do we have a preposition before it? Yes, because o is the contraction of a and le. So ultimately it's a le volleyball. We have a plus something. Okay, for a plus something, what do we use? Pronom COE? No, it's only for a plus person. So for a plus quelque chose or for a plus objet, we use Y. Okay, so we remove O volleyball and we put Y before the verb. Okay. Then we have la plage. Plage is being repeated. Do we have a preposition before it? Yes. A. Okay, so here it is a plus place. Okay, if it is a plus place, we use Y because it's preposition plus place. Okay, but if it is there's also preposition, but in case of we don't use Y. The plus place, no. The plus place, for that we use on. Okay, but here it is not it's another preposition. Okay, it is a preposition plus a place. So for that we use Y. Okay, the first use of Y is replacing preposition plus place. So before the verb Y. Then again we have plage. But this time we have a preposition. Yes, but it is the. Okay, if it is the plus place, okay, or the plus something, then we use pronom en. Yes, so here on en sort. On commande des sandwichs. Au café, on a très faim, on mange deux sandwichs. Again, sandwich is being repeated. This time we don't have a preposition before it, but we have a quantity. So a noun with a quantity is replaced by en again. Yes, because en also replaces a noun with a quantity. We won't replace the, we'll just replace sandwich. That's the repetition. Okay. And we'll put en. On en mange deux. Okay. When we replace the noun and we have en, we replace en. We also have to replace un, une, de that comes with the noun. Du, de la, de l'apostrophe. But if it's a known quantity, right, like the, un paquet, beaucoup, we don't replace those words. Okay, but we have articles. If we have articles, we replace the articles. Okay, with the noun. Okay. Then Paul adore les sandwich. So what do we do in this case? Do we have a preposition? No. Do we have a quantity? No. It's a direct object. So we don't have to think a lot. We have to use pronoun seo de. Okay. How? Which one? We have me, te, le, la, l'apostrophe, nous, vous, les. Which one? It's third person plural. So we'll use les. Okay. Paul les adore. Okay. Again, we have sandwich. And again, it is direct. Okay. Il recommande ces sandwiches. So it's direct, no preposition. So we remove this and we again use les because it's third person plural. Okay. And then also repose un peu et on regarde un beau film. That's it. Okay. And yes, if it is the plus person, then we don't use en. We use the plus pronom tonique. Okay, like de moi, de toi, d'elle, de lui, like that. Okay. Yes, that's how it is. So now it's complete. Okay. Yes, now let's have a look at la place d'un pronom. Okay, so we'll learn it with an example. If there is only one verb, we have a single verb in the sentence, then no confusion. We have to put the pronoun avant le verbe. But remember, this place that we're talking about, it's only for pronoun en, y, cod, and coe. For pronotonic, it's not the case. Okay, we always place it after the c, after the preposition. Okay, here we don't remove it and we change the place to before the verb, after the verb. No, it comes after the preposition. Simple. This what we are talking about is for en, y, cod, and coe. Okay, so if we have a single verb, okay, then no confusion before the verb. Okay, for example, un nouveau film est sorti. Okay, a new film has released. Je regarde ce film. Okay, I'm watching that film. So here, what do we do? Obviously, we replace ce film and we place it before the verb. There's only one verb, no confusion. Okay. Even if it's in future simple, je regarderai ce film, je le regarderai. Okay. Je regardais ce film, je le regardais. Okay. If it's one verb, no confusion, simple. Okay, we'll keep this example. Second, if there are two verbs, the verb. So before the second verb, avant le deuxième verbe. Okay. For example, un nouveau film est sorti. Je veux regarder ce film. I want to watch this movie. So here we have two verbs. Obviously, we'll replace ce film with le only, but the place it will be before the second verb because ce film is actually the object of regarder and not vouloir. Okay, so this is the important verb. We'll put it before the second verb. Okay, it's the same thing over here. See, in this sentence, you see, on va à la plage pour y jouer. Okay, we did not place it before aller, right? Because jouer au volleyball here, volleyball is the complément or object of jouer, okay, not of aller. So we'll place it before jouer. Okay. So yes, that's how it is if there are two verbs. Then